Problem number 3. 4 processes with process ID P0, P1, P2 and P3 with the given arrival time and burst time is shown in the table up. Calculate the average waiting time and average turnaround time for SJF scheduling. SJF scheduling schedules according to its burst time. So we have been given processes P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Arrival times and burst time have been given. So we'll draw the Gantt chart. Gantt chart, the process which arrives at time 0. Arrival time is 0. Which one is that? P4. So P4 will come first, and how much time it is present in the CPU it takes to complete its process? It takes 3 units of time to exit the CPU. At 3, which all processes will arrive inside the ready queue? So the processes which have their arrival time less than equal to 3 will arrive. So which are these processes? P1 will arrive because P1 arrival time is 2. P3 will also arrive because P3 arrival time is 1. So these two processes will arrive. Now amongst them, the one with lower burst time is allocated to the CPU first. P1 burst time is 6. P3 burst time is 8. So which one is allocated? You have P1 which is allocated to the CPU. P1 is allocated. P1 takes how much time? 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. After that, now you have 9. Now which all processes will arrive? So execution of P1 is done. P1 will leave the ready queue. The processes which have their arrival time less than or equal to 9 will arrive. So P2 will arrive. P3 is already present. P4 is already executed. And P5 will also arrive. Now amongst P2, P3, P5, the one with the lowest burst time. So P2 burst time is 2 units and P5 burst time is 4 units. So P2 has the lowest burst time. So P2 will be allocated to the CPU. So 2 plus 9 is how much? 11. Next, P2 will leave the ready queue. Now amongst P3 and P5, lowest is P5. So 4 plus 11 is 15. Again, P5 will also leave the ready queue. Next is P3. P3 will be 8 plus 15. That is 23. So P3 will also leave the ready queue. So ready queue is empty. So let's erase this ready queue. So now all the processes are completed. So we'll write the completion time. Completion time for P1. P1 is completed when? At 9. So 9 will write. P2. P2 is completed at 11. So 11. P3 is over here. So P3 is at 23. P4 was completed at 3. P5 is completing at 15. So what is turnaround time? Completion time minus the arrival time. Completion time is 9 minus arrival time is 2, that is 7. 11 minus 5, that is 6. 23 minus 1, that is 22. 3 minus 0, that is 3. And 15 minus 4, that is 11. Add this divided by 5. So we add 7 plus 6 plus 22 plus 3 plus 11 upon 5. What you get? 9.8 millisec. Now waiting time is turnaround time minus the burst time. Turnaround time is 7 minus burst time is 6. So 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 22 minus 8, 14. 3 minus 3, 0. 11 minus 4, 7. So average waiting time will be 1 plus 4 plus 14 plus 0 plus 7 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That is 5.2 m sec.